Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Coco Playthroughs, and this is devlog number 2 for the Minecraft mod that I am creating called Creative Jujutsu. For the first devlog, I went through all of these different domain blocks that you can basically edit for your domain. And for this devlog, I will actually show the full process of creating a domain. So let's get right into it. So in the last video, I went through the properties. As you can see, we entered that our domain size will be about 15 blocks radius. If we check here, I showed that the domain domain will last about 15 seconds. We finished that. We're currently creating a domain expansion unlimited void, aka Gojo's domain. And then we've also showed the boss bar that will pop up when we summon said domain. So now we stopped at choosing what our domain will look like. So in the last video, I said that these blocks, the star void blocks, this one, is basically what Gojo's domain is going to look like. So let's go ahead and enter that there. We'll click floors, and as you can see, there's a bunch of floors that we can choose. We choose star void floor. We press confirm, and there you go. Star void floor. So the domain, when we spawn in our domain, we will have a star void floor. There's the next page, we don't got there yet. So next we can press main menu, or we could press next to go into the walls. This is actually the outer wall. So for here, you can only check one as well. We would actually choose the domain block wall, aka the basic ass domain block wall, because it's basically this one. Because if you were to look at the manga or whatever, or the anime, when they show the outer domain, you don't actually see anything. It's either just a white wall, like a white sphere, or a black sphere. So we're just gonna choose a black sphere for it. So that would be, the Gojo's outer wall. So now we can go to the next category, and here is where the boost effects are. So we can click boost effects, and as you can see, it says choose your boost effect and level. Preferred only 3 effects max, and also preferred a whole number level between 0 to 4. Anything higher or more than 3 effects is too OP, but if you don't care, do whatever. So basically, the reason why I wrote that is because if you're playing multiplayer and you want to have an actual fair fights and shit, you should probably do what I'm telling you. But obviously, this is creative jujutsu, so in the end, it doesn't really matter. We all know Gojo becomes basically really strong. He's really strong already. We do resistance. He's obviously never gonna fucking die. And honestly, you can just check all of these for Gojo. And here you can change the levels for each thing. We're just gonna put 10 for all of them. And you're gonna just have to press confirm for every single one. That confirms, that sets what level each of your boost effects will have, and then you can press confirm here to fully submit what your effects are going to be for your domain. So when you press check, chosen boost effect, strength with level 11, resistance with level 11, speed 11, regeneration 11, and jump boost with 11. The reason why it's 11 is because it's just 10 but plus 1, so technically we should have just chosen 9. Now see, the thing is here, you can, as you can see, we made a mistake. You can change it back to 9, and instead of pressing confirm here, you would actually just press confirm here, and now when you check, everything changes. So just a quick little tidbit. And also, when you want to remove something, I don't really know how to explain it well, but if you want to remove something, then you would just check all these. Say we want to remove speed, you just remove speed by not checking it and then pressing confirm and then check, and now speed is gone. So but now we obviously want all of them. We don't want to change any of the levels, so you don't have to change it. If you did want to change the level, you can just go with 8. Oh, I pressed the wrong confirm. Lol. So this is 9, 9. This is 8, 9, 9. Press confirm for all these. There you go. What I meant to do was press 8 here and then press confirm. And then now, as you can see, it's all changed. So, next, after boost effects, we can go to the next effect called your sure hit effect. We all know what those domains do. They have a sure hit effect. So, choose your sure hit effect and level preferred. Same thing like boost effects. Preferred only 3 effects max, like boost effects 0 to 4. However, instant damage, enter the damage amount itself. Preferred 1 to 3, but if you don't care, do whatever. So basically, these are the these are the levels for the effects, and then this is the damage amount when you do instant damage. So, and then we also have explosion. Explosion is for Sukuna's domain. Explosion will destroy everything in your domain radius, including your domain blocks. This is mainly used for a no barrier domain. So basically, no floor, a nothing floor, and a nothing wall, like these. Right? That's for basically Sukuna's, and I'll show y'all that later. So, if we want to create Gojo's domain, he would obviously have, like, infinite slowness, you can't move, and also infinite weakness, you can't do anything. So you would just press confirm, and there you go, we have slowness with level 501, and weakness with level 501. So that is both the boost effect and the sure hit effect of Gojo's domain completed. Now, we go into the last page, decorations. And now decorations, decorate your domain, choose the following options to edit and customize. So now, not only will we have all of these to edit, and then there's also going to be other stuff that I still haven't implemented, we also have decorations. And you can decorate your walls, you can decorate your floors, you can decorate the sounds of your domain, you can decorate the domain summon effects and the decorations. So let's first go into walls. So this is right here, decorate your domain walls. Activate double walls and select your inner wall. So if you want to have an inner wall, so as you can see, I chose for our outer wall the normal domain block. Next, we want to also have an inner wall, so activate your inner wall, and now we want to choose the star void wall. You can press confirm, and now there it is, chosen inner wall block, the star void wall. What does this do? This activates the inner wall. Now we go into here, edit your inner wall. Edit X, Y, Z, and N number to anything and N number to anything to create an interesting wall design. Put 0 for all 4 to have regular walls. So at the bottom right here, example, X is 1. If we put 1, 15, 1, and 2, then this creates a ring around our domain. And I'll show you all that later, and probably in the next video. But right now, we just want to have 0 for all, because I want to just show y'all what the domain will end up looking like. So as you can see, you can also press check to see everything. Now let's go into floors. Decorate your domain floors. Choose one, either random tiles or a second floor. You can't, there's no second floor yet, I still need to add that. But we can do activate random tiles for specific floors. If you activate random tiles, there's only one option right now. Choose the random tile floor type, only check one, lava random tiles. Meaning, basically, if I check this, oh, it's almost nighttime again. If I check this, when our domain spawns, this floor, and this floor would all spawn around my domain. So if you go down here, these 3 blocks will spawn everywhere in my domain. Not just a single concrete, or not just a single lava, or not just a single magma. It would spawn all 3 randomly. So that's technically for Jogo's domain, which I can also showcase in the next video. So we're not going to check that for Gojo, and we can't activate floors. Now we can go into sounds. Choose your voice when domain is summoned, only check one, or check multiple for multiple voices. You ask why? Cause why not? Obviously we have plenty of voices here. We can Maybe I might add the English voice actors, maybe. And there's the next page, it hasn't been implemented yet. I could add the next page for English voice actors or not. I'm still trying to think. But right now, we obviously want to either choose Gojo's domain expansion only or Gojo's full domain expansion. So if we press or check one and confirm it, we can press the check button and his voice will play.
領域展開
Chosen voice, Gojo's domain expansion only. Or we can choose his full domain expansion.
領域展開無料空所
And yeah, you can choose that. Or, like I asked, or like I said, check multiple for multiple voices. You ask why, because why not? So if we chose Gojo's and we chose Sukuna's at the same time, they both play.
領域展開無料空所
It's so anticlimactic that nothing's happening. But yeah. I'll click wrong thing. So we only obviously wanted Gojo's full domain.
領域展開
Oh, I accidentally clicked. I did not mean
無
to do
料
that.
空
But
所
yeah, we only want his voice. So next, we go into the domain summon effects. So here we have a first page. Make your summon aura effect. Input the Minecraft RGB numbers to select a color. Just search up Minecraft particle color type and copy down the RGB when selecting a color. So basically, when the controls for this mod, there's only 2 controls right now, and they're defaulted. The domain expansion is Z, and the unsummoned domain is X. So if you press Z, as you can see, something popped up, and obviously, right now we don't have any like cool effects. It's just black, but you're supposed to hold the key down, and when you hold key to summon domain, release key to summon. I don't want to release right now, so we're just gonna like glitch it out. You can glitch it out if you hold it and then like press E, and then you can let go, and then nothing really happens. I don't want to hold it out right now because I want to change my color. So let's go ahead and change my color. So hold on, let me see what it said. Minecraft, search up on Google Minecraft particle color type. You can search that up and you can press the first option. I'm currently doing it right now. And we all know that the JJK like special effects or whatever, or like their powers, it's all blue. So we want to enter these numbers 0, 0.75, and 1. We can press confirm for all 3, and then you can also press check. There's activate second, but I don't have second right now. So now when I hold it, now my colors are blue. I look like Yuji. I'm getting angry and my domain is about to come out or whatever. So that's that. And then in the next page, choose an effect while your domain is active. Only check one or select multiple for multiple effects. Right now we only have slashes. Obviously the slashes is for Sukuna, so basically if I check this, then a bunch of slashes would be happening while my domain is active, but we're not making Sukuna, so we'll go back. And now the last thing that I can do right now for this like build of the mod is decorations. So decorations is the cool things that like appear. So choose your domain decorations. Choose one or check multiple for multiple decorations, because why not? So same thing with the voices. You can technically select all of these and they all spawn. But as you can see, there's black hole 2D, there's a black hole 3D solid, and there's a black hole 3D debris. Or you can do money arm spread, you can do a volcano, you can do lava stalactites that will spawn, you can do the malevolent shrine, or you can do hands, which are mojito hands. So here I will go ahead and showcase every single decoration that is right now in the game, and then we will finish off the what the domain, our domain looks like. Obviously, for Gojo's domain, we want a black hole 3D, and that should, and you can also check black hole 3D regular, and that should be everything for Gojo's domain, and I will showcase it all for the next video. But here we have money spread still. This is what the decoration would spawn when you choose that. This is the black hole 2D. As you can see, white particles that spawn around 2D black hole. Here we have a 3D black hole solid. Same thing. You're kind of understanding the gist of it. We have the black hole 3D debris. Debris. As you can see, it's basically like the black hole, but instead debris is flowing around it. We have the volcano. This is obviously for Jogo's domain. Really shitty volcano, I can't lie. Really shitty. I might need to update that. We have Malevolent Shrine, obviously for Sukuna's domain, as you can see right then and there. And last but not least, we have Mahito's hands sprout all around the area. Also, my designs are you know, they're but I am just getting better. So that's all the ones that we have right now, and I will be summoning this one in our next devlog video. So that's all for the devlog right now, and in devlog 3 I will actually show domains, like for real this time. So yeah,